Hey everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to get on here real quick and show you what I've been up to. One thing is that I have made this card today, and I got the idea from Pinterest. And my phone's been giving me some problems, so I actually cannot see what I'm showing you without standing up. And I had everything to make the card. I had one white card base left after making my 8 cards yesterday, finishing those. And I had one white card base and 4 white envelopes, and I thought, I must have made a mistake on something. That's why now I usually build my card and before I ever even glue it to the base. But I did use some of those Dollar Tree glitter hearts that I had sealed with Mod Podge, and of course my little dots and my star, and had everything to do that. So tickle with that. Put that over there. And then I had all of these when I made my cards and I was making my label for my sentiments. I had all of this cut off, I don't know what you call them, and where I cut my hearts for those cards too. And what I did was I just stamped them with this stamp that someone had gifted to me a long time ago, and I used my distress ink and the worn lipstick, and I cut a bunch of these. I had enough to have one big star, but I cut the little tip off of it right there. But I had all of these little ones, and I thought, well, this is a good way to use that paper, that cardstock, that we pay so dear for, and then, we end up throwing so much of it away. And you could do this with any shape and any stamp. If any punch that you had, just make this. Now I can throw these away. So anyway, that was just my little share with you today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.